This is Codecademy. I'm currently working on their Introduction to JavaScript course. I am on the functions lesson, part 8, function expression. Let's see here. Instructions. Let's say we have a plant that we need to water once a week on Wednesdays. We could define a function expression to help us check the day of the week and the plant needs to be watered. Create a variable named plant needs water using the const variable keyword. Okay. And we're capitalizing the first letter of each word, but you never capitalize the first letter of the beginning of a variable, right? Assign an anonymous function that takes in a parameter of the day to plant needs water. All right, so what's an anonymous function? If we scroll up here, to declare a function expression, okay, anonymous function. A function with no name is called an anonymous function. A function expression is often stored in a variable. So if we just write function, it will be anonymous. I'll show you what I mean. Boom. Okay. Assign an anonymous function that takes in the parameter day to plant needs water. Oh. And is that equal sign, semicolon. Let's give that a shot. Oh no, what happened? Well, if I go up here, we still need, with an anonymous function, the curly brackets, right? So, get rid of my semicolon, boom. And there we are, and then let's follow like they do here. We want a semicolon there as well. Okay? Did all of it work? Let's test this now. Ah, that looks a bit better. Great. Now we need to add some code to the function body of plant needs water. Okay? In the function body, add an if conditional that we checks day 3 equals sign Wednesday. Ah. All right, so if we are hoping we have to remember stuff from old lessons, and the 3 equal sign we are doing because Wednesday is a string. If conditional that checks if day is Wednesday. If the conditional is truthy or true, inside the if conditional block, use a return to return true. Okay, so I'm going to do brackets, return, and then true. So far, so good. Let's test this. Great. Let's keep it going. On days that aren't Wednesday, plant needs water should return false. Add an else statement after the if statement, and that's what. So this only runs if the if statement is false. And remember, if is checking for truth, right? So this is asking the computer, okay, does a variable day, or does our parameter day, equal the string Wednesday? And now we need to check if true, it will return, it drops down and runs this code. It returns true. But say false, the string equals Thursday. Then the computer says, okay, skip this and go to the else statement and run this. And it will run whatever code's in here, which is going to be apparently return false. Let's hit run. Perfect. Call the plant needs water and pass in Tuesday as an argument. Okay, so now down here, I'm going to call our function by writing it name plant needs water. And then I want Tuesday as an argument. And then let's put a semicolon. I bet we log it next. Ta-da! Let's check, yep, that plant needs water returned the expected value. Log plant needs water Tuesday to the console. If it worked correctly, you should see false log to the console. So we can put this inside of a console log statement. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. Just make sure you get these parentheses right. Okay? Let's test it out. Ta-da! False. I'm curious. Let's just test Wednesday as well. True. Beautiful. All right. So this is the code. Oh, I should undo this. Click undo. Control Z is undo, so that's what I'm hitting. That's the code that worked for me. Awesome, let's keep going.